Well, because sometimes if you put it to the bare hose with plastic or certain connections, sometimes.
This is a test of the emergency alert system for the Jimmy06 YouTube channel. This is only a test. If this were a real emergency, important details would follow the alert tone. There's no action required, this is only a test. Repeating, this is a test of the emergency alert system. If this was a real emergency, important details would follow. This concludes the test. We will now return to regular Jimmy06 YouTube programming.
Would I just like have like a little thing that just snaps in like that instead of having to